In India, climate has been it's sort of a humid climate all over, and in Delhi, especially the heart of the country, you have this arid region, you have harsh winters, harsh summers. What this directly or indirectly does is it starts to affect education of students and especially government schools that are underprivileged. At that step, Coolant plays a very pivotal role for this particular project because it's not only aiming to make students aware about terracotta and its uses, but also a step forward in intervening in such a sensitive context towards a greater good. There's this project that I have worked on personally, and I had been handed over the project by another fellow intern, and she just told me that you have to take the interview of the client, and I was all clueless, and I went over there. I just went inside the classrooms, though the winters were on, but then the afternoon sun was still harsh enough. 2 weeks in, and the binary came in, the water sister came in, we got everything executed, and I saw students running around here and there. 1-2 days in, and I could see lines drawn on the tiles of the binary, and I could see like students have like appropriated it to themselves, not knowing what the system is really doing. They started drawing parallels with the AC. They're like, भैया लेकिन ये AC की तरह हवा तो नहीं दे रहा है. तभी actually the water had not started yet. And then they were like, हाँ अच्छा है, इसमें से जो पीछे से लाइट आती है वो अच्छी आती है, the gaps of the tiles. And small kids started playing pakda pakdi around, and they started to use the veranda in a different way altogether than what it was being used previously. Then we started to work on the aeroleaf also at that point. A very different form and a different kind of assembly all coming together, something contemporary that was happening. I explained to them that be very careful of this. Binary tiles can be still changed. Aeroleaf tiles cannot be changed. It's a very, very tedious process. And in front of me, I saw them playing football, and like one of them just shot the ball too hard, and I could see the tile break, and I was like, something needs to be done for this. Students need to be made to be understood that what this system is for their development. I narrated to them a story. Like I requested the people over there, the headmasters, that I would like to take a step in explaining the students what exactly we have done over here, why is it done. And I started with this very, very famous story we heard of the crow and the pitcher. And I told them like, there was a pond nearby and it was scorching heat, but the crow was smart enough to throw pebbles in the pitcher. And I asked them, do you know why? And unanimously, I mean, there was a loud roar saying, yeah, because it was made up of mud. Mitti se bana tha iske liye. Like, they know what we are trying to do. They understand what we are trying to do. The school is your home, and we don't break things at home. Whatever is done to our home is always for our betterment. It's not only for you, but it's for the forthcoming students also. I was very happy to see students take care of it also. I randomly paid a visit once to see, and I saw 2 kids were slightly quarreling, and one was like, "Arey nahi, ball lag jayega, gir jayega, tootega." And when I personally went over there to see once it was all functioning, and again met those friends of mine, they were like, "This really works. Thank you so much." And they said it with a lot of gratitude because they were like, पहले जो धूप आती थी वो लगती थी, हम नहीं पढ़ पाते थे. They were like कि अभी अच्छा लगता है हमें, हम जब वो कॉरिडोर में चलते हैं तो ठंडा लगता है. रूम के अंदर भी जो पहले बहुत गर्म होता था, लू चलती थी ना, अभी लू नहीं चलती है. That has left somewhere a certain impact on me personally also, because like the privilege that I come from and the privilege that I felt I have versus looking at somebody like them, it's a stark difference. But also knowing their backgrounds, where they come from, how much importance does a school life play on them. So there is this kind of harmony that is felt, and what Coolant has done over there is very softly intervened in this harmony. And I am glad to see a smile on their face whenever I visit them, and I hope to see them again.